Hello, in this video let me introduce you to LuitBiz Business Applications Suite. LuitBiz is a business application suite that has 5 different modules which are asset management, document management, business process management, customer relationship management, and human resource management and employee self-service. This is a completely responsive software which fits all devices, so you do not have to download any mobile apps to use this software. It works equally through browsers using any device, whether it's a computer or a mobile. This is the login screen of the software, and once you log in, this is the home screen of the software where you can see that all the modules are listed out. There'll be one admin user whose job would be to manage the system, like creating users and creating multiple business locations, because LuitBiz supports multiple business locations. Also, the admin would be setting the password policy. Coming to the modules one by one, let's look at the asset management module, which is called EAM. LuitBiz EAM is a complete asset management module which has all the features required to manage all your company's assets, right from the day you purchase it till the day you dispose of the asset. You can manage the different AMCs, the warranties, the maintenance and the services, everything about the assets. And this asset management module has 2 different types of users, the asset users as well as finance users. So the asset procurement cycle or the asset service cycle, wherever the involvement of the finance users are required, the asset management module, LuitBiz EAM, has the opportunity to include those users as well. Also, the system generates a lot of useful reports, like for example, if you would like to see how many orders were placed for assets between a particular range of dates, this system is going to generate a report both in text and in graphical format. And similarly, as far as asset management is concerned, you can view the complete details of the asset right from the system, and it also generates the QR code, and you can export this QR codes for printing your QR code labels. Here, it is very easy to move from one system to another. For example, right now I am in the asset management module. If I want to, let's say, move to the BPM module, the business process management, I can do so with just one click like this. And this system, as I said, supports multiple business locations. So you can switch between business locations again with just one click. For example, I'm in the dashboard of this particular company, and if I have access to another company and I click on its name, then I can view the dashboard of that particular company. Additionally, all screens in LuitBiz DMS or LuitBiz BPM or LuitBiz EAM, all the modules of LuitBiz have a audio guide and video guides. So anytime you get stuck, you can just follow those guides, and the system is extremely easy to use. Coming to the BPM module, in this BPM module, you can develop workflow as well as data entry forms, attach workflow to the workflow forms and get them approved. And of course, you can search, and there are reports in this system. So this is especially useful when you are for the quality management or the department which takes care of different compliances. So those departments can use this BPM system to make their own forms and then get them approved or share data amongst the other users. Now, moving on to the next module, let's move on to the CRM module. LuitBiz offers 2 different versions of CRM. One is LuitBiz CRM Basic, the other is LuitBiz CRM Enterprise. So the Basic module, as the name suggests, helps you manage the sales pipeline, manage your deals, manage your sales tasks, your activity calendars, and a small support module is also attached to it, which we call customer relations, where customers can submit their problems using support tickets, and you can support it from here. We also offer you a customer module which can be attached either to LuitBiz CRM Basic or LuitBiz CRM Enterprise. And of course, you can have social media interactions, you have different reports, you can have sales social, where your sales people can interact with each other. So all those features are available in Basic, and in the Enterprise version, we do all the integrations for you, because let's say you have SAP system or a Sage system with which you want to integrate the CRM, then that those integrations are done in the Enterprise version of LuitBiz CRM. And here too, of course, you can switch between different companies. Now, moving on to the next module, which is DMS. So in LuitBiz DMS also, we have 2 different options, Basic and Enterprise. In the basic version of LuitBiz DMS, we allow you to upload documents to version control and tag documents and divide them into different categories and stuff. And in the enterprise version, we also allow you to define document workflows and get your documents attached, approved, and approved using electronic signature. So all those facilities are available in the LuitBiz TMS Enterprise module. Additionally, for TMS, we have another view module where, suppose, let's say you're a big organization and then you want some of your users just to view your documents. So all these basic and enterprise users of LuitBiz TMS can share documents with these view users who can just view the documents and ask questions about them. Now moving on to the next module, which is that's the last module, HRM and ESS. HRM is the Human Resource Manager module, and ESS is the Employee Self-Service module, and they're tightly attached to each other. So using the HRM and ESS module, you can manage the complete life cycle of your employees, starting from the day you recruit them. So actually starting from the day you think of recruit them, even the managers can ask for new recruits, and it all comes through the system. So this is HRM system, and if you want to switch to the ESS module, this is the ESS module. So all the links are same. So, and it covers the complete employee life cycle, right from the day that it was conceptualized that they would join your organization till the day they leave your organization, and even if they come back and rejoin your organization, their data would still be available in this system. And it covers all the different aspects of employee management, starting from your pay slips to if you give them loans, their reimbursements, their leaves, their bonus, their appraisals, their trainings. You can share your company policies. They can book conference halls. You can talk about your events. There's an employee help desk. So all the functionalities that are required to manage the complete life cycle of your employees is available in LuitBiz. So LuitBiz is a complete business application suite which allows you to manage the main aspects of your business: your employees, your documents, your assets, your processes, and of course your customers. So that's how LuitBiz helps you improve your business processes and make them more efficient.